All right. Well, hi, everybody. Today I'm really excited to talk to you about ways that AI could enhance manufacturing operations. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Debbie Baldwin. I'm the Director of Product Management for Manufacturing at Acumatica. I've been at Acumatica now for about 5 years, and I'm usually located in Atlanta, Georgia. But today, as you may have heard, or if you're late to join, then um, I'm actually in Mississippi today doing this presentation. So today, this session is really more of a thought leadership session. It's not really focused on Acumatica. It's really designed to get you thinking about different ways that AI could transform manufacturing in the future. Some of these things that we'll talk about, maybe you've already thought about or heard about, but I'm hoping that everybody can walk away from this presentation today with at least one new concept. But before I begin, this session is sponsored by eBizCharge. They're an acuCONNECT sponsor and Acumatica Platinum partner. eBiz is an Acumatica certified payment solution that offers companies better ways to accept payments. They have on site developers, they're privately owned, and they're 100% focused on making the best payment solution for their customers. Their solution allows you to accept credit, debit, and e checks within Acumatica, send email payment links, allow your customers to pay through a customized customer payment portal or the Acumatica portal, and much more. So, if you're interested in knowing more, then you can go to ebizcharge.com to learn more. All right, so let's get started. So today we're really on the brink of a new industrial revolution. So we've been in an industrial revolution where we've adopted the cloud and many other things, but this industrial revolution includes artificial intelligence. In the manufacturing industry, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer that's reshaping the way that we produce, the way that we manage, and the way that we innovate. From predictive maintenance that minimizes downtime to advanced quality control systems and that ensure really high standards, AI is really able to enhance every single aspect of manufacturing. It helps us to optimize inventory, it helps us to streamline supply chains, and even personalize production to meet the unique demands of our customers. So, as we move into this presentation, then we're going to talk about a lot of different ways that AI is making manufacturing smarter, making AI more efficient, and ultimately better. So, let's embark on this journey together to understand how AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. But first, let's start with how did we get here? So, believe it or not, the origins of AI actually start back in the 1940s and the 1950s. During World War II, electromechanical vision systems were used by companies like Ford to inspect crucial components. The innovation really reduced production cycle times and it laid the groundwork for future advancements. Then, when we move into the 1960s and the 1970s, then robotics really started to rise. AI equipped robots were introduced. They were capable of adapting to changing conditions. Advanced engineering concepts like failure modes and effects analysis and statistical process control became integral to production health analysis. In the 1980s and the 1990s, AI began to integrate with IT systems, enhancing manufacturing processes through automation and data analysis. So, in this era, we saw the development of more sophisticated AI algorithms and their application in various manufacturing processes. The 2000s marked the digital revolution, bringing significant advancements in AI technologies. So, The integration of AI with digital systems enabled real time data collection and analysis. So things like sensors on your products. And this led to improved decision making and operational efficiency. So now we're in the fourth industrial revolution. It's characterized by the widespread adoption of AI in manufacturing. Key advancements include predictive maintenance, real time quality control, optimized production line scheduling, and personalized manufacturing. AI analyzes data to predict when machinery requires maintenance. It helps us to detect defects on products. It optimizes our scheduling, and it also allows manufacturers to produce highly customized products. So, looking ahead, the future of AI in manufacturing is promising with continuous advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and other AI technologies. So, over the next few years, manufacturers are expected to increasingly leverage AI to enhance efficiency, to help reduce costs, and also to gain a competitive edge. So, as we start to look at the ways that AI is transforming manufacturing, it's really essential to highlight the key areas where AI is making a significant difference. Today, I'm going to focus on five critical ways that AI enhances manufacturing processes. From optimizing inventory management to improving quality control, AI is really revolutionizing how we operate. It enables predictive maintenance, ensuring machinery runs smoothly and efficiently, and enhances labor management by optimizing workforce allocation and reducing workplace injuries. And then autonomous manufacturing is reshaping production lines, making them more efficient and adaptable. So there's a lot of areas where AI is making strides, and we're going to concentrate on these 5 points to understand how AI is driving the future of manufacturing. Let's explore each one of these in detail. So we'll start with inventory management. AI integrated ERP software helps manufacturers optimize inventory by predicting demand, identifying slow moving products, and automating order fulfillment. According to a study by McKinsey, companies that utilize AI to optimize inventory can reduce inventory levels by up to 50%. Today, most people are managing inventory by being reactive. So, by measuring stock levels, ordering materials based on historical usage, taking seasonality into consideration, and then combining this with our estimates of what we're going to need like over the next few months or the next year. So, with AI, it's more predictive and it's more proactive. So, let's think about a few examples. One is predictive demand forecasting. AI algorithms analyze not just historical data, but market trends. So, what's going on in the market, customer behavior to predict future demand more accurately. This helps us to maintain optimal inventory levels, and it'll help you reduce stock, both overstock and stock outs. If we look at automated order fulfillment, AI systems can automate the ordering process by predicting when inventory levels are going to drop below a certain threshold. So today, we just get a alert when it has dropped below that threshold. But AI can actually predict when it's going to drop below. So this way that you can replenish your stock on time, you can improve your efficiency, and it also helps to reduce manual intervention. It can identify slow moving products. So it can look at products that aren't selling well, and it can suggest strategies to manage or liquidate these items. And it helps in optimizing inventory turnover and reducing holding cost. It can also help us with our forecasting. So it can look at seasonality and trend data and its forecasting models providing a better understanding of demand fluctuations. And this can help lead to better planning and inventory management throughout the year. The next is quality management. Today's way of making sure products are good usually means that people have to look very closely at them while they're manufacturing them. And this can take a lot of time and effort, and mistakes could happen very easily. Also, these old methods might miss small problems that can make a difference on how good the product is. And that's why more and more people are seeing that using artificial intelligence and AI can be a better and faster way to check quality in manufacturing to improve overall quality. For example, AI inspection systems can identify defects and anomalies in real time. So, as they're going through the line or as you're producing them, it can automatically detect those, and it doesn't wait until the end when the item has already been produced. Machine vision systems use cameras and sensors to inspect products for quality. And these systems can detect very minute defects. They can measure the dimensions of your products, and they can ensure that your products meet quality standards. AI systems use deep learning algorithms to learn from vast amounts of data. So they can learn and they can change as they go. Unlike traditional quality control methods that stick to just a set of rules. So this is called adaptive learning. And with adaptive learning, AI can look at feedback from inspections and it can tweak how it works and it can get better each time. So the machine is learning and it's getting better. So this helps AI spot defects more accurately, even in very tricky manufacturing settings. AI can also analyze historical data to predict future quality issues. And this can allow manufacturers to take proactive measures to prevent defects and improve product quality. The next is predictive maintenance. So, with your machines, proper maintenance is essential to minimizing downtime, reducing repair costs, and extending the life of your machines and equipment. So, AI powered predictive maintenance utilizes machine learning and sensor data from machinery so it can detect temperature, movement, vibration, and even external data like weather, and this approach helps predict when machines might break down. It also minimizes unplanned downtime of machinery, reducing maintenance costs and extends the lifespan of the machinery. So instead of relying on fixed maintenance schedules, AI could actually dynamically adjust the maintenance plans based on the actual condition of the equipment. And this approach ensures that maintenance is performed only when it's necessary, optimizing resource utilization and reducing cost. So, by predicting and preventing equipment failures, AI enhances workplace safety. This reduces the risk of accidents and injuries caused by malfunctioning machinery. AI can be used to automate manufacturing processes, reducing the need for human intervention and also increasing efficiency. Robots tap into machine learning algorithms to automate repetitive tasks and decision making. Robotic process automation can perform repetitive processes like welding and painting and packaging. And these robots can work continuously and they don't get tired. So, this increases throughput and ensures consistency. Collaborative robots or cobots can work side by side with humans, which enhances efficiency and safety. And they can do tasks like picking parts, operating machinery, and also quality inspections. And then autonomous mobile robots can transport packages within the warehouse. They can navigate all by themselves and improve logistics within the warehouse and reduce manual labor. And then finally, they can help with labor management. And labor costs are often the biggest line item in the manufacturing budget. AI algorithms can analyze historical data, employee availability, and production demands to create optimized work schedules. This ensures that you have the right number of workers scheduled at the right time, and it can also help reduce labor costs and improve productivity. And speaking of productivity, AI can predict employee productivity based on a lot of different factors like past performance, skill levels, and workloads. And this helps in assigning a task to the most suitable employees, enhancing overall efficiency. AI can also help identify training needs by identifying skill gaps. This could allow you to provide targeted training programs, improving employee skills and performance. And it could also alleviate another costly labor problem, which is workplace injuries. So, by limiting shop floor personnel's exposure to those big, powerful machinery and dangerous tasks, AI can streamline this or it could automate that. So, that could eliminate those serious injuries. All right. So, adopting artificial intelligence in the manufacturing sector presents a huge opportunity. It promises enhanced efficiency, precision, and innovation. But this transition is not without its challenges. So, understanding these challenges is really crucial for you to navigate the complexities of AI adoption and fully leverage its potential benefits. So, let's talk about a few of these. The first is high initial cost. So, implementing AI technologies requires a lot of upfront investment. This includes the cost of hardware, the cost of software, and also hiring. You need to hire skilled personnel. So, for a lot of small and medium sized enterprises, these costs could be a substantial barrier. The next is data management. AI systems thrive on a large volume of data because it needs a large volume of data to help it learn and make decisions. So, manufacturers need to invest in robust data collection to capture all that data, storage, and management systems. And this process could be both complex and costly, but it's essential, really, for the effective to get the answers that are good answers when you're using AI. The next is the integration with your existing system. So this is one of the biggest hurdles is integrating AI with an existing legacy system and your processes. Ensuring compatibility and seamless operation between AI and your current infrastructure requires a lot of planning and execution. And then the next is workforce upskilling. So, if you introduce AI into the manufacturing process, this means that our workforce needs to be skilled in working with these new technologies. This also necessitates significant investment in training and development programs, which can be both time consuming and expensive. And then the last is data security and privacy. And with the increased use of AI, security and privacy concerns are really more prominent than ever. So you need to make sure that you implement very stringent security measures to protect your sensitive data from breaches and to ensure compliance with regulations. So I hope I've given you a lot to think about. In conclusion, the journey of AI in manufacturing is transforming. We are where we are today. A lot of you are starting to think about AI, adopting AI, and it's a transformative process. But it's offering a lot of opportunities for efficiency, precision, and innovation. So we've talked about how AI can revolutionize manufacturing from predictive maintenance to enhanced quality control and the significant benefits it brings. However, it's also clear that adopting AI comes with its own set of challenges, including high initial costs, data management complexities, integration issues, workforce upscaling, and data security concerns. So, by understanding and addressing these challenges, manufacturers can better navigate the path to successful AI implementations. And as we move forward, embracing AI thoughtfully and strategically is going to be the key to unlocking its full potential and driving the future of manufacturing. So I said that I wouldn't talk much about Acumatica, but this is the approach that we're taking is to adopt AI very thoughtfully and strategically. And you'll start to see over the next few releases that we are adopting AI. One of the first things that we're going to do is adopt AI with our generic inquiries for anomaly detection, and we'll be looking at things like detecting when a production order, uh, looking at labor variances, looking at material variances, looking at cost on production orders, and giving you the ability to see that information maybe on a dashboard. And then we'll look at some of these other areas that I've talked about. One good area that we may be able to use AI would be in scheduling, especially if we add the ability to do resource and resource planning. So with that, I will stop the presentation and I'll leave just a few minutes for questions.
Hey, Debbie.
All right.
I don't see any questions.
All right. Well, if you have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me. It's debbie.baldwin@acumatica.com.
Oh, we got one.
Okay.
Any AI tools that can be used now?
In Acumatica, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with the next release of Acumatica, well, we do have some AI tools that are used in Acumatica for AP processing, those payments. But one thing that's going to be delivered with the next release is anomaly detection, and it's very very easy to use. Basically, if it's you just turn it on a generic inquiry, and you ask it to monitor that data, and then it'll give you a list of all the anomalies, and you'll have the choice of which generic inquiries that you would like to put it on. I think out of the box, they're going to have some margin type capability so that you can predict the margins. Like you can look at margins on sales orders, and if there's anything that looks kind of strange, then it'll give you a list of those things. And then for manufacturing, we're already talking to our customers about leveraging AI, this anomaly detection for labor variances and material variances and things like that. So maybe that'll give you some incentive to not backflush and actually report actual labor and and material.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Okay, again, I have an open door, debbie.baldwin@acumatica.com. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Debbie.
All right.